My name na Elder Godfrey Arunde. By the grace of God, na me be the Oga Patapata for Heritage Art Gallery, and we have a group. We get group where big say na carry us come here today. Heritage Gallery group. Now we take come here as we dey here now.
What's the name of this game on at the place?
This one for Benin. Now this one be Ogiri sir. Now Ogiri sir, I be this. Any Benin man wey no sabi play, I know say not be Benin for grow.
This program where Meadow State government, the vice president, where program for now where they do business. So, what do they expect after the program?
By the grace of God, after this program, we expect say like wetin dey happen for other states, make it still happen for us. All the good things where they do for all other people where they do business for other states where be say they not get help, make them still do one for us. We need help. Because like as we dey here now, only God know. Now group we take dey here, not be only me and this man get work where dey here. Now Heritage Gallery group now we take dey here. So the people where dey here, so not be all of us come here. If all of us come here not go contain.
That's my boy.
They just send few of us to come, just come represent the group. So we need help from government. We get modern equipment so we supposed to use. We not get money to buy them. So if you tell you now how we tell they do this work, you go surprised now. Look at now, wood turn to human being. Not easy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sister.